How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode we have another product review. This product is from TrekPow, and this is a company from Amazon A-Box. So this company just sent me this new product. This is a jump starter, 800 amps, peak current. In case that you have a bad battery, or in case that you left your lights on and it completely drained your battery, this is a good way to start your battery. So today we're gonna do a test, a real test. So I went out to Autozone where I work, and I asked my friend, the assistant manager over there, to let me use one of the used batteries. So this is a 2018 battery. I don't know what happened to this battery. Probably the alternator drained it and the customer just went to the store and get it replaced. But I already tested, it's completely dead, completely dead. So this is gonna be a real test on this new jump starter. Let's see if this new device can start a dead battery. This battery is a little bit bigger than mine. Mine is 500 cold cranking amps. This one is 650 cold cranking amps. So like I said, it's a 2018 battery, so it's really new. We don't know what's wrong with it, but in this episode I'm gonna see if this new product is gonna be able to jump the car, start the car, and see if it works. So this new device is the A18 800 amps peak 12 volt portable auto battery booster. With this one you can jump a battery from a 6.0 liter gas or 5.0 liter diesel engine. It's for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, you name it. And you're gonna be able to find this product on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link on the description. First link is gonna be for this product. This is gonna be the ultimate test. This battery is completely dead. I don't know what happened to it, so we're gonna be able to see if this product can start this car with this new old battery. Okay, so if we open the product, I already opened it because before you start jumping a battery you need to fully charge the product. So I already did open it, and this is very compact. You have USB port, and on this side you have the on and off button. You press it and it's gonna light up, so it's ready to use. Make sure that it's fully charged. If you press this button in here and you hold it for more than 3 seconds, you're gonna turn on the light. Hold it again, it's gonna be SOS light. Hold it again, it's gonna turn it off. You have to hold it for like 3 seconds, and let's check what's inside. You're gonna find obviously your instructions, certificate of quality, warranty, and the most important thing is gonna be, in this case, the clamps to charge your battery. What's cool about these clamps is that you have in here a digital screen, so it's gonna tell you the volts once you connect it to your battery, which is really neat. This one is gonna be connected in here. Okay, make sure that you read your instructions so you can get more understanding of the product and all its functions. And if you go to here to the instructions, it's gonna tell you that you have to make sure that if your car doesn't start, don't do it more than 2 times because you might damage the product. Let's connect it. Negative, positive, turn it on. 16.8 volts. That's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna let it sit in there for a little while. So I don't know why it's blinking, but I think the battery is really bad. Let's see, and let's try to start the car and see what's going on. Okay guys, but before we start the test, I wanna show you that this battery is dead. So let me try to turn on the car and let's see if it works. I'm trying to start the car right now. This battery is completely dead. Okay guys, so battery is completely dead. So let's try to start it now and let's see if it works. Nothing yet. Let's wait a little bit more and see what happens. Okay guys, so I tried to start it twice. I disconnect the clamps and I connect them again. So I wait for a couple minutes. I don't want to overheat and damage the product. Now let me go ahead and go over there and try to start the car. No, this battery is completely dead. Let's wait a little bit more. I'm gonna disconnect it, connect it again, and wait. Hopefully I don't overheat or damage this product. So let's wait a little bit more. I'm gonna let it sit in there for a little while, and then we're gonna try to start. Okay guys, so now it says 15.7. Let's try one more time. Nothing yet. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit more. This is a tough test for this one. I mean, it's kind of not fair because this battery, I don't know what's wrong with it, but yeah, it's giving me hard time to start this car. So I'm gonna have to wait a little bit longer and see what's going on. Okay guys, so I disconnected, I connected again. Let's try for this time. Hopefully it works, and then we'll see really what's going on. Hopefully this time it works. In here you can see 2018 on the battery. My original battery is here on the trunk, and so you can see this test was real. Okay guys, so if you can see, it took me a little longer to start this car. Battery is big, bigger than the normal, but this battery is for a truck, I believe, or for a larger size car. It's not the same one for my vehicle. Still, it took me like 4 or 5 times to try to jump start this car, but at the end we get it done. And I hope you like it guys. So if you're interested, link is gonna be in the description. If you have any questions guys, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.